Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how apples go from the farm to your table, step by step.
These are the best ones yet.
Yay! Careful with that ladder, Miguel.
The apples now enter the main washing tunnel, where high-pressure water and specialized brushes remove impurities, guaranteeing freshness.
Every apple is processed using robotic precision to maintain quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how apples travel from farms to your home. It's ready, fresh, and ready.